Ever felt like managing your finances is a constant juggling act? Between bills, budgeting, and keeping track of your spending, it can feel overwhelming. But what if you had a tool right in your pocket that could simplify it all? Today, we're diving deep into the CommBank app to uncover its impressive array of features and see just how much it can streamline your financial life. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're out shopping, and you suddenly realize you're not sure how much money you have left in your account. Or maybe you're trying to split a bill with friends, and the process is a messy exchange of cash and IOUs. These are everyday scenarios that the CommBank app aims to solve, and it does so with a surprisingly comprehensive suite of tools. First up, let's talk about the basics. The CommBank app provides real-time access to your account balances. This means you can check your available funds anytime, anywhere. No more guessing or waiting for bank statements. It's all there, instantly updated, giving you a clear snapshot of your financial position. But it goes beyond just showing your balance. The app provides detailed transaction histories. You can see every purchase, every payment, every deposit, all neatly organized and easily searchable. This is invaluable for tracking your spending habits, identifying areas where you might be overspending, and ultimately, taking control of your budget. Speaking of budgeting, the CommBank app offers some powerful budgeting tools. You can set spending limits for different categories, like groceries, entertainment, or transport. The app then tracks your spending against these limits, providing alerts when you're approaching or exceeding them. This proactive approach to budgeting can be a game changer for staying on top of your finances. Now, let's move on to making payments. The CommBank app simplifies this process significantly. You can easily transfer money to other CommBank accounts or to accounts at other banks. The process is quick, secure, and often instant, eliminating the need for lengthy bank transfers or visiting a branch. One of the standout features is Pay ID. This allows you to link your phone number or email address to your bank account, making it incredibly easy for others to pay you. No more fumbling for BSB and account numbers. Just share your Pay ID, and the money arrives directly in your account. This is incredibly convenient for splitting bills, receiving payments for goods or services, or even just sending money to friends and family. Another useful feature is cardless cash. This allows you to withdraw cash from CommBank ATMs without needing your physical card. You simply generate a code in the app, enter it at the ATM, and the cash is dispensed. This is a lifesaver if you've forgotten your wallet or if your card is lost or stolen. Security is paramount when it comes to banking apps, and the CommBank app takes this very seriously. It employs multiple layers of security, including biometric login, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, and two-factor authentication. This ensures that only you can access your account, protecting your finances from unauthorized access. Beyond the core banking features, the CommBank app also offers a range of additional tools and services. For example, you can manage your credit cards directly within the app, view your statements, make payments, and even lock your card if it's lost or stolen. You can also access your home loan information, track your loan balance, and make extra repayments. This integrated approach to managing all your financial products in one place is incredibly convenient and saves you from having to switch between different apps or websites. The app also provides access to travel insurance, allowing you to purchase cover quickly and easily before your trip. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're booking a last-minute getaway. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to view and manage your insurance policies. You can access policy documents, make claims, and even update your details, all within the app. The CommBank app also offers a feature called Benefits Finder. This tool helps you discover potential government benefits and rebates that you may be eligible for. This can be a valuable resource for maximizing your financial well-being. The app also offers a feature called Goal Tracker. This allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for a deposit on a house or paying off debt. The app then helps you track your progress towards these goals, providing motivation and support along the way. The CommBank app also integrates with other services such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing you to make contactless payments with your phone. This is a convenient and secure way to pay for goods and services in-store or online. Regular updates ensure the app is constantly improving and adding new features. This commitment to innovation means that the CommBank app is always evolving to meet the changing needs of its users. So, as we've seen, the CommBank app is far more than just a way to check your balance. It's a comprehensive financial management tool that empowers you to take control of your finances. From budgeting and paying bills to managing your loans and insurance, it offers a wide range of features designed to simplify your financial life. It's about putting the power of your bank in the palm of your hand. It's about convenience, control, and ultimately, peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.